Hello everyone, welcome to the batch inventory movement module. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to transfer your inventory in batch from one store or one inventory set to another. So you have a couple ways of doing this. You can either create transfer orders and basically process those transfer orders using ASNs and waves. That way is recommended if you're actually physically moving goods from one warehouse to another, and if you want a history of basically if you want a trace of how that inventory was moved and how much of it was moved. However, if you're dealing with virtual locations or if you just want to do things a little bit more quickly, you can use the batch inventory movement module. So let's get started. Let's pull up the module. And let's say I want to move some SKUs from my main warehouse to my San Fran warehouse. So basically, I'm going to select main here and give this a refresh. And I can even search by style as well. So let's say I want to, imagine there's a lot more SKUs in this, and basically, I need to find these styles in particular. So let's do an advanced search, and I'm going to look for styles CHS 1413 or CHAW 16. So now I've found the styles that I want to move from my main warehouse. So what I can actually do is select them all. Suppose I wanted to move them all or just the last couple. Let's go options and then select batch store and location. So I want to go from my main warehouse to my San Fran warehouse. And let's select my regular San Fran location and how much of each SKU do I want to move. For now, I'll just put one, and let's click on apply to selected lines. So right now it's going to move the selected SKUs from main to San Fran, and it's going to move one of each SKU. So you can see under net available here, this is the amount that I'm allowed to move from the main warehouse. I can edit the quantities here as well. So I can edit these if I need to, and then I can just hit move inventory, click OK, and your SKUs have been moved.